A long winter in the Northeast has finally come to an end, but not without its casualties. Not being able to ride consistently has caused my stunt skills to devolve, and my wormy performance at the Austin Mega Ride was frankly embarrassing. So, I'm challenging myself to see how much I can improve by riding every single day for a week straight. Now, I have 3 main goals for this challenge, which if I accomplish, will promote me from the Worm League back to the Champions League of Stunters. Goals. 1. Relearn to hand drag consistently. I used to be great at hand drags on my XXX as well as my Razor MX 500, but recently I'm out of practice and cannot do them consistently. 2. Roll a 10-foot stoppie. I just recently started practicing stoppies, and the RTR really lends itself to stoppies, so I'm certain we should be able to smash this goal. And 3, the scariest, learn how to stand up circle wheelie. I call myself the Circle King, yet I can't even stand up circle wheelie, so that needs to change. Now, if I don't accomplish all these goals, I have to sell all of my bikes and convert this channel to an arts and crafts channel. And forewarning, I could never color in between the lines.
All right, guys, day 1 at the lot. Let's get to it. So, guys, my approach with this is I think I'm gonna work on what I was best at before, which was hand drags, like throttle one hand. And we're just gonna intersperse some of the stoppies like this. Wow, that was a good one to start the day. In the next couple of days, we'll start getting the seat standers more too. And I just got a hand drag. There's another one. Easy. Well, I'm surprised not in the first 30 seconds. Got hand drags again. But we want to get them consistently, so got to keep practicing. You're going to hear lots of breathing. There's another one. All right, let's roll a stoppie. Feeling confident today, but nice. We're gonna get better. All right, stoppies and hand drags are already feeling amazing. We got to try what I hate, which is seat standers and actually seat standers circle. So let's go. Oh, I don't know, man. Oh, will we get seat standers? I don't know. I say we keep practicing the stoppies and the hand drags today. Seat standers maybe a little later. Nice. It's good. Yeah. What's up, dude?
I just found your page.
Oh, hell yeah, I appreciate it.
Days ago, when I ride, you go down here and I saw the fucking bike.
Oh, for real?
I literally just followed you a couple days ago.
Oh, I appreciate it. What's your name, dude?
Ethan.
Ethan, nice to meet you, bro. That was cool. Shout out to Ethan. All right, I'll see you on day 2.
All right, guys, this is how committed we are right now to this video because it's really hot out right now and all the bikes are out, which means all the dirt bike cops are out, and they've been treating electric bikes just like they have been treating real dirt bikes, which is crazy. But I'm still gonna go practice, but we're gonna throw the bike in the back of the van, go down to the lots, practice.
Here we go, guys. Day 2. Let's just get right to it. Nice. Woo! Let's get like 5 in a row. That was 1, 2, 3. I mean, I touched, didn't ride it out, but nice. And 5. Yep. 11. Hand drags are very consistent already on day 2. Let's get some stoppies though. Feeling really good already with hand drag and stoppies. Just gonna be the seat stander circles that are gonna kill me. Why am I leaning right so much? Oh my goodness. Guys, this channel might be turning into arts and crafts because I'm so gassed and I haven't even really done anything. I wonder how it would go if we tried it with our left foot. And maybe I just try to circle with my left foot. Okay. 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 Oh! Oh! Let's go! See, they really weren't that hard. I just had to do them. Good progress so far in just 2 days.
Well, give that thumbs up, but I jinxed myself, boys. I only had 20 minutes to practice just because I had plans tonight. But man, I went out today. I don't know if it was the lot. I don't know if I was dehydrated, but I was just not getting it whatsoever. We couldn't get our stand-up super well. We just were not feeling it today.
So sore.
Luckily, our hand drags were still consistent, but they still weren't feeling as good as they were yesterday. Our stoppies also were semi-consistent, but even then, they weren't feeling as good as yesterday.
I made such good progress yesterday, and I was expecting the same today, and it's just not going that way.
Hi guys, it's day 4. Last night, to celebrate the end of the week, a couple beverages were had. We're a little sleepy, but it's supposed to rain today, and my girlfriend just got back from being gone for 2 weeks, so we gotta get out right now. It's 9 a.m. Go do this practice for today. Try and get better before it rains. Let's get on the bike.
All right, guys, we're headed over to the day 1 lot spot just because I like that better than where I went yesterday. Context, guys, every time I'm going out and practicing, it's anywhere from 20 minutes, like yesterday, to 2 hours, like on day 2. So we're gonna see if we can get a solid hour in today. This guy loves it. Oh, baby. Nice. My delts are getting sore. Let's go, boys. Say what? This is 3K. All right, feeling much better today. I needed this, even though I'm a little hungover. Starting to get these stand-up circles, but it's got to be like perfect circumstances. Like, I got to get it up perfect and get into the spin perfect. Otherwise, it doesn't happen. Yeah, bud. Going a lot better than day 3. That had to be nearly 10 feet right there. Yeah, guys, I think we're doing it.
Rolling into day 5, we are feeling good. We got some good weather, which equated to some good stoppies. Finally starting to roll some long stoppies, which feels awesome, looks super cool as well.
Nice.
I don't want to say we forgot to do hand drags today, but we definitely weren't focusing on them as much since they were more consistent. So we went from hand drags right into the stand-up circles, which are slowly becoming one of my favorite tricks as we get more comfortable. And how do we like our circles?
Nice and slow, tight stand-up circles.
Had a quick show myself I could still do normal sit-down circles, and right back to stand-up circles.
Stall. Oh, too far to stall. Oh. Almost got it.
I got a limp, guys. Yesterday when I was practicing, I slammed my knee into this bar, and now I can barely walk, so I think we have to quit the challenge. Psych! But I'm not gonna record today, just to thicken the plot for tomorrow's final challenge. So it all comes down to this. 6 years of consistently posting motorcycle videos to this channel, growing an audience of nearly 100,000 subscribers, could all be coming to a close. Will this be the last time I suit up and throw my leg over a bike? Well, I certainly hope not, but right now there's only 3 things keeping me between my bikes and this channel. So let's go do it.
Well, guys, here we are, the final day, the final test. Let's start with stoppies. So I've brought this nice tape measure. Not sure why it's marked here at 3 inches, but anyways, we're gonna line this out to 10 feet. I think we're gonna smash this, but 9 feet, 10 feet. All right, no warm up or anything, guys. I think we should be able to kill this. Destroyed. Oh, yeah, buddy. I think we can do better. Light work, on to the next one. Next up, we'll do hand drags. We'll just leave this here to show how much we smashed the stoppies, but let's get 5 in a row. Let's get 5 in a row, ride them out. Easy. There we go. Counts. Two more. Yep, just gotta be light on the brake. That's the issue, like if you're dropping the front wheel right after you're dragging hand, it's because you're grabbing too much for your brake. Easy, all right, there's our 5. Let's keep going though, see how many we can keep going. A little deeper. 6. 7. And we dropped it. All right, we'll take the 7 for now. My freaking delt is so sore from holding on to this one arm. Alrighty guys, the last of the challenge, which is gonna be the stand-up circle. I was expecting this to be the hardest, but I'm actually feeling good about this. The hand drags ended up being the hardest, so let's just get it. I think my goal for this is gonna be 5 circles in a row, and that should cement me as a stand-up circler. I'd be lying if I said my knee still wasn't sore as hell, but here we go. All right, that's 1. 2. Oh, fuck. I don't know how we kept that. Oh my God, we still saved it. Woo! Not the prettiest stand-up circles, my knee hurts, but that's 7 days in a row, riding every day. My body's beat up, my cardiovascular is poor. We need to get that up for this riding this summer. But yeah guys, there you have it. This was honestly a really fun challenge to do. These are tricks that I've been wanting to do for a while, so to go out and challenge myself to actually progress and get better is huge. I hope this video shows you it's just all about seat time. I've talked about wanting to do stand-ups, I've talked about wanting to do long stoppies for a long time, and really all it took was just me coming out and actually practicing. Like the only thing between you and your goals is just you taking that first step. So take it with a grain of salt, take value with it, I don't care, but this is sick. And let's all say it together. How do you get better? Seat time. Oh my God. Holy shit. I hope I got that on camera. Fuck. I just did a freaking front flip. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Well guys, it took till the end of filming for me to really eat it. Oh my God, I really just ate it. Can't believe it took till the end for that to happen. All right, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're to 100K. I'm gonna go ice, I guess, my whole body. Let's get home before this starts to hurt. That really sucked. Girlfriend is not gonna be excited to see that one, that's for sure.